Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace the lower rack wheel assembly on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we'll begin by opening up the dishwasher. You'll want to remove all of the items on that bottom rack. Remove the cutlery basket and set that aside. And we'll take that rack assembly out. Set it on a suitable surface, and then we can remove the defective wheel assembly. So we'll begin by depressing either of those tabs. And as you depress the tab, just push down slightly on that wheel assembly. Once it's disengaged, you can discard it. Now, when installing the new ones, we'll begin by engaging the top first. So make sure that they fit firmly around that next horizontal wire. Line up the vertical wire with the center. We'll just drop it down slightly to capture the bottom clips and lift it up into place until those two locking tabs engage. If you're replacing all 4 wheel assemblies, simply follow the same procedure for the other 3. And now we're ready to put the rack back in the dishwasher. Place it on the door. We'll set the cutlery basket in position. Make sure it slides back freely. We can close the dishwasher up, and your repair is complete.